Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an event marketing strategy with Eventbrite, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To build an effective event marketing strategy with Eventbrite, start by defining your event goals. Identify your target audience to tailor your marketing approach. Research and analyze your audience's preferences and behaviors. Next, create an engaging event page on Eventbrite. Use a clear, descriptive title that captures attention. Provide a detailed description that outlines the event's benefits and key features. Include high-quality images or videos to enhance visual appeal. Set a date and time for your event that aligns with your audience's availability. Now, determine your pricing strategy. Decide whether your event will be free, paid, or donation-based. If it's a paid event, ensure the price reflects the value you are offering. Once your event page is ready, utilize Eventbrite's built-in promotional tools. Share your event on social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Consider using Eventbrite's email marketing feature to notify your followers. Create a targeted ad campaign on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Use captivating visuals and clear calls to action in your ads. Leverage partnerships with local businesses or influencers to broaden your reach. Encourage them to share your event within their networks. After launching your event, monitor ticket sales and audience engagement closely. Adjust your marketing tactics based on real-time data and feedback. In the week leading up to your event, ramp up your promotional efforts. Send reminder emails to registered attendees and include any last-minute updates. On the day of the event, ensure everything runs smoothly by following your event plan. Engage with attendees in real time through social media or live updates. Post-event, analyze the data gathered from ticket sales and attendee feedback. Use these insights to improve future event marketing strategies. By following these steps, you can effectively build a successful event marketing strategy with Eventbrite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.